Hello watchers, I am Nisha Sheikh and today I am presenting Python libraries for data analysis. So let's start it. So here is a list of Python libraries commonly used for data analysis along with definitions, installations and examples. That is Pandas, NumPy, SciPy. So let's start it. The very first is, what is data analysis? So data analysis is the process of inspecting, cleaning, transforming and modeling data to discover useful information, draw conclusions and support decision making. Let's move forward. What is Panda? So the name Pandas refers to the both panel data and Python data analysis and was created by Wes McKinney in 2008. Pandas is a Python library used for working with data sets. It has functions for analyzing, cleaning, exploring, and manipulating data. The next is, why use Panda? Pandas allows us to analyze big data and make conclusions based on statistical theories. Also, Panda can clean messy data sets and make them readable and relevant. Relevant data is very important in data science. Now let's see the installation of Pandas. So install it using this command given on the screen. Then import the Pandas. Once Panda is installed, import it in your applications by adding the import keyword and the Pandas. The example is now Panda is imported and ready to use, so you can use this. I display the example and now also the output at the right corner. Now let's move forward and see what is a NumPy. NumPy is a Python library used for working with arrays. It also has functions for working in domains of linear algebra, Fourier transform, and matrices. NumPy was created in 2005 by Travis. It is an open source project and you can use it freely. Now, why use NumPy? In Python, we have list that serves the purpose of arrays, but they are slow to process. NumPy aims to provide an array object that is up to 50 faster than the traditional Python list. The array object in NumPy is called NDArray. It provides a lot of supporting functions that make working with NDArray very easy. Array are very frequently used in data science where speed and resources are very important. Now, let's move forward and see why is NumPy faster than the lists. So NumPy arrays are stored at one continuous place in memory, unlike lists. So processes can access and manipulate them very efficiently. This behavior is called locality of references in computer science. Now let's see the installation. Like you can see, you can install it using this command showing on the screen, and you can import by using the keyword import. Okay, and here is the example you can see on screen. And now let's see what is SciPy. So SciPy is a scientific computation library that uses NumPy under it. SciPy stands for Scientific Python. It provides more utility functions for optimization, states, and signal processing. Like NumPy, SciPy is open source, so we can use it freely. SciPy was created by NumPy creators Travis Oliphant. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.